We're talking quickly about unclogging a drain in facilities maintenance or even at home. You have a couple options: a plunger, tools like a pipe snake, or these tools you can buy at Walmart or your local Home Depot or Lowe's. You stick it down the drain, it has little barbs on the end of it. It's a plastic tool and it'll grab hair out of the P-trap. There's two different types of plungers. The cup style plunger is for sinks and bathtubs. The flange or bell style plunger is for toilets. You can also use chemicals like liquid plumber or Drano, foaming pipe snake. You want to be very careful with these. Or you can use a big pot of nearly boiling hot water and some liquid dish soap. Not too hot because you don't want to melt or damage your PVC or ABS drain pipes. And if all else fails, or it's a larger clog, call a professional plumber to come in and take care of that for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover.